Hello, my name is Joanna Zamora. I'm a doctoral student at California Intercontinental University. Today I will be conducting a presentation on linear regression. Today's agenda will include linear regression definition, data background, data tested, sample linear regression tests, takeaways, and questions. Linear regression definition. Regression model provides a greater focus on important elements which help in defining better outcomes within a given context. The relationship between the dependent and independent variable provide a stronger emphasis on the underlying concepts. Data background. I used PSPP software to import dataset. Dataset was generating using SurveyMonkey. Participants are located in the Midwest United States and a total of 150 responses were collected. Variables used: income, debt, savings, stocks, wallet, number of cars, number of credit cards, number of defaults, and light comfort. Variables being considered for today's testing are income, debt, savings, and stocks. Dependent variables will be debt, savings, and stocks, and independent variables will be income and savings. Data tested. First regression test will include the question, can we predict an individual's debt by knowing their income? The dependent variable will be debt, and the independent variable will be income. Second regression test, can we predict an individual's savings by knowing their income? The dependent variable will be savings, and the independent variable will be income. The third regression test will be, can we predict an individual's portfolio value by knowing their savings? Dependent variable will be stocks, and an independent variable will be savings. The first regression test. First hypothesis test. Dependent variable used was debt. Independent variable is income. The following regression was conducted. The null hypothesis states the regression coefficient is 0. The alternative hypothesis states the regression coefficient is non-zero. A simple linear regression was conducted to determine whether we can predict an individual's debt by knowing their income. No significant regression was found. Beta equals negative 0.50, r squared equals 0.00, and p-value equals 0.535. Second regression test. Second hypothesis test. Dependent variable is going to be savings. Independent variable is income. The following regression was conducted. The null hypothesis states the regression coefficient is 0. The alternative hypothesis states the regression coefficient is non-zero. A simple linear regression was conducted to determine if savings can be predicted from income. A statistically significant regression emerged. Beta equals negative 0.91, r squared equals 0.82, p-value equals 0.000. Thus, the test rejected the null hypothesis and predicted aggression passive activity scores. Savings equals 0.91 times income is negative 203.47. Savings is predicted to decrease as income increases. Further, 95% confidence interval 0.09 and 0.11 does not contain 0, hence leading support to the prediction. Third regression test. The third hypothesis test, dependent variable is stocks, independent variable is savings. The following regression was conducted. The null hypothesis states the regression coefficient is 0. The alternative hypothesis states the regression coefficient is non-zero. A simple linear regression was conducted to determine if stocks can predict from savings. A statistically significant regression emerged. Beta equals negative 0.28, r squared equals 0.08, and p-value equals 0.00. Thus, the test rejected the null hypothesis and predicted aggression passivity scores of stocks equals 0.28 multiplied by savings equals 1006.73. Stocks is predicted to decrease as savings increases. Further, 95% confidence interval of 0.07 and 0.25 does not contain 0, hence leading support to the prediction. Takeaways. Linear regression calculates an equation that minimizes the difference between the fitted line and all the data points. The steps to the linear regression and PSPP analysis are analyze, regression, and linear. PSPP is an efficient piece of software that can easily conduct linear regression tests. Questions, comments? Thank you for taking the time to listen to my presentation. Have a great day.